It's time once again for The Law and You. Joining us again virtually, we have attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ciarimboli. Great to see you both.
Oh, Haley, one day closer. That's what we keep saying, one day closer. Hey, how about there were 0 COVID cases in Luzerne County yesterday or the day before? So that's fantastic.
We love to hear that.
Yeah, that's great.
A little back to normalcy. And Greg, you're in the office today, so that's got to feel nice.
I'm here. It's good. We're here. We have everybody's basically working remotely. We have a few people in, but we're starting to ramp back up. Hopefully once, it's time.
And no matter where you are answering our questions, like this one from Miles. He's saying, I was riding my bike on the road and a driver of a parked car opened his door and I ran into it and went over my handlebars. I broke both wrists. The driver said it was my fault. Do I have a case?
I'm not sure if you have a case or not, to be very honest with you, Miles, because, it really depends on the road, where the driver was parked. You have as much of an obligation as any other motorist. So there's a lot of facts that we would need to have in order to answer that question. Think of it in these terms. If you were a car and the driver opened the door and a car hit the door, well, it would be the person that was parked's fault because they didn't make sure that it was clear. But if there was if there was space to the right or a bike path or whatever it may be, and you weren't following the rules that you should have been following, there's a lot of questions to answer before we tell you if you have a case or not on that.
I just don't think drivers can't just throw their doors open in the middle of traffic either, though.
Correct. Yep.
And that's my position. But, we got to look at it. Ed's right. A lot more facts. So give us a call. We'll help you out. See what we can do.
There you go. Pick up the phone, give them a call. You can also find them online and social media. And if you have questions you want answered on The Law on You, just go to pahomepage.com.